Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike the Goat. My intro in this video got deleted, so now I had to refilm it. But I just want to tell you guys what's gonna go on in this video. I've seen a lot of people commenting that they've been having problems with growing out their hair and they don't know what to use or don't know the steps to take to grow your hair out. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that I've used to grow my hair out. As you can see, I've gained a couple inches since my last video. This happened fast and it's only been about 4 months, so I'm gonna put you guys on to a routine that I use and some of the products that I use. But as always, guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to always leave a comment if you want to ask a question or if you just want to tell me how good my video is. But other than that, guys, we're gonna get straight into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. So one of the main things I've been using to grow out my hair is gonna be hair oil. And I know most people out there that like to take care of your hair know about hair oil, but there's a lot of people that aren't informed of how it can help you and like the benefits. But one of the reasons hair oil is so good for your hair is because it increases blood flow. So regularly oiling your hair is actually really good for you. As an athlete, my hair tends to get super dry too, so I know a lot of you guys are athletes that watch my channel. After like a hard practice, you sweat a lot, your hair is super dry, or just your scalp in general. After you take a shower and shampoo and condition your hair, it's always good just to apply some oil to your hair. You can use avocado oil, argan oil, castor oil. There's a bunch of oils out there that you can put inside your hair. But I've been using this method for a while now. My hair used to be super dry after practice and I used to suffer from a really dry scalp. So this really helps, especially with growing out your hair too. So I highly recommend this for hair growth. So using these oils replace all that bad stuff in your hair. It applies these acids to your head to just revives your hair, really makes it shine again. But just applying this to your hair could greatly benefit your hair, especially if you want to grow it out. So I highly recommend using this method. One of the other things I've been using to grow my hair really is hair mask. And this particular hair mask I'm using right now is infused with biotin. As we know, biotin helps with hair growth. If you're someone who suffers with really thin hair, I have that problem too. Your hair could break or your hair could just snap in a second. You could benefit from hair masks just using them almost like once or twice a month. You don't have to use it all the time. You can buy hair mask. I bought this one. I make my own. If you guys haven't seen my DIY hair mask video, go check it out. So I highly recommend using these hair masks. This is a really important part that I've been using. I've been using them more frequently because I honestly didn't use hair masks for a while, but using a hair mask is really important and I can't stress that enough. So one thing I started using a lot lately that I mentioned inside the hair mask is biotin. And I've been using this leave-in conditioner by The Main Choice that also has biotin in it. And honestly, this has been my favorite product for at least like 3 years now. I remember when my sister first brought it home and I was in high school, and in high school I didn't really take care of my hair that much. My hair was always frizzy or it was up in a bun. And I remember my sister bringing this home and I used it before school one time and my curls never looked so good in my life. I remember going to school, like I was feeling like Superman. Everybody was asking me, yo, what did you put in your hair? What did you put in your hair? And I didn't tell them. Not only does it help with your hair growth, but it's a detangler and a co-wash, and honestly, if you want to leave it in your hair for the whole day, your curls are going to look mad tight. I can't explain how much I love this conditioner, but I've honestly just been using this since my last video, and I've been seeing tremendous improvement in my hair growth and just my hair in general. My hair's been super healthy lately, but this is also a big factor that I've been using that's been helping my hair grow faster. But there's plenty of different conditioners out there that have biotin in it. I know Shea Moisture has some and Not Your Mother's, and those are really good brands too that have products that help your hair grow. So definitely go check those out. I definitely mentioned them in my videos before. But there's a bunch of products out there like this one. It just comes out to preference, like I said. If you guys want to check this out or try it, I don't know how to work in your hair, but I promise you will not be disappointed. I was definitely not disappointed. I'm still not disappointed, and I'll keep using this product forever. So another thing that my sister put me onto is rice water. So I've seen a lot of people talking about rice water lately. It originated in Asia where a lot of people use it in their hair to grow their hair super long since a while back, and now it's starting to be on the rise again. I see a lot of people on TikTok and Instagram talking about it, and my sister tried it for the first time and I tried it after her. And honestly, it works, guys. Rice is very sufficient in starch and vitamin E and B. As we know, vitamin B increases blood flow and cell levels, so vitamin B is very important. And vitamin E I talked about briefly in a couple videos back, but basically vitamin E is great for moisturizing. And I know I've been talking about dry scalps, and I know a lot of people deal with psoriasis. Vitamin E is great to combat that, so rice water really works. It has great vitamins in it, it has great acids, and it's super easy to make. You literally just put rice in a bottle, put some water in it, and leave it in there for like 24 hours. But other than that, guys, that's really what I've been using in my hair to really grow it out. And honestly, you can see the results of how long my hair got. And I wanted to inform you guys of how you could do this too. And I know a lot of people are growing out their hair now. I'm really trying to get their natural hair look. Growing out your hair is going to be a really important process, and growing out your hair healthy is going to be a really important process. So I just wanted to let you guys know and inform you guys of the products that you can use. Now I'm going to show you guys a little quick routine with using all of these products. I'm just going to show you what I do sometimes for a simple routine. But just try it out, guys. Like I said, it works for all hair types. It doesn't matter what hair you have, curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair. But other than that, guys, I'm going to show you what I've been using for this routine. And I'll be back to show you guys what the result is. Alright guys, I'm back. I just wet my hair a little bit. The first thing I'm going to be using is my hair mask. The hair mask that I'm going to be using is the Maya Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand and try to spread it to my hair evenly. So I'm just going to take my diamond brush and really go through my roots evenly. Okay guys, so now that I brushed it out through my hair, the hair mask is on evenly. You're going to want to leave this in for about 5 to 7 minutes. After I have this in for about 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to go wash out my hair. I'm not going to take you guys with me. When I come back, we're going to shampoo, condition, put in some leave-in, and we're going to add our oil. But for right now, I'm just going to wrap my hair up, and I'll be back after I wash it out. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my hair out. This is after the hair mask. But now I got a shampoo and condition. I'm gonna be using the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Shampoo. And for the conditioner I'm gonna be using, also my favorite, is the main choice, the Alpha Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. Just to make this video a little shorter for you guys, but I'm gonna go shampoo and conditioner my hair. When I come back, we're gonna put in our leave-in and our oil. So I'll see you guys when I come back from shampoo and conditioning my hair, and then we'll continue with the routine. Alright guys, so I just shampoo and conditioned my hair, and now we're gonna put in our leave-in. And for our leave-in, we're gonna be using the same conditioner because it's 3-in-1. It works as a leave-in too. And this is also my favorite, so I want to show you guys what it would look like if I used it. Just gonna take some in my hand. Now I'm just gonna take my diamond brush and brush throughout my hair. Alright guys, so now that my curls are dry after using the blow dryer, I'm just going to take some of the hair oil that I showed before. The oil I'm going to be using today is by Bread, and I'm just going to take a little bit in my hands, and I'm just going to break up the gel cast in my hair. The oil is also going to give it a nice shine. So this is what my hair looks like after the whole routine, guys. As you can see, my hair got super long. It might not be the most curl defining routine, but it does work. Like I said, this is what I've been using to grow out my hair for a while now. It's a couple months I've been using this routine and my hair has grown tremendously. I highly recommend this routine to you guys. I just want to say thank you guys for supporting my channel. I'm gonna try to drop some more future content. Like I said, that PC video is coming soon. I really hope you guys enjoy this routine. Even if you don't have curly hair or you have a different curl type, don't be afraid to use this routine. I'm sure it'll work for you. Just try it out. But anyways guys, growing your hair out is going to be a process. It's not going to come in 2 days. It's not going to come in a month. It's going to take a while. So just keep using the oils, the hair mask, and the conditioners, and everything that you think that helps you. I'll link all the products I use in this video in my description. I will have another video coming soon. But other than that, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.